Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Mazda Miata RF. This one, people are going to hate me for this, but this one's fitted with the automatic transmission. It's the RF Club, Soul Red Crystal over black. Now, you might be wondering, why am I even driving a Miata, an automatic Miata? Well, I actually have driven one before, and I had somebody comment, thank you for reviewing one of these. Turns out they lost their leg in the military, and they wanted a Miata, but they can't drive manual. They don't have two legs. So it's stuff like that that makes me think, all right, this is a reason why we have automatic cars. I'm actually going to be driving two more automatics because I've really been only driving the manual Miatas. So I want to take a look at the automatic and all the different trim levels. So this one's the RF Club. I'm going to be driving a Sport, or I think a normal Miata Club, and then a Grand Touring. So I'm going to be driving a little bit of everything. This one here, stickers for I think 34, something like that. Boing, 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 boing. 35, 450, not bad. All right. Still features your 181 horsepower, 2.0, 151 pound-feet of torque. Alrighty. First in camera, plates blocking it. We're going to be starting out in normal mode, drive, without sport on. Just so you can see, alright, how livable is it? Now, before you go and start absolutely hammering me in the comments saying, you're not a real man if you don't like the Miata in the manual. I'll be honest, I would buy a Miata manual. That's just the way I would go. But the automatic exists for a reason. People are buying them. Be it never learned how to drive stick, just you live in Boston and you don't like dealing with the manual transmission, which I'm starting to get now that I'm driving into Boston more. Or you lost a leg. There are so many reasons why people might choose an automatic. And for people to sit there and judge you based on your own purchase decision, that's just not right. It doesn't sit well in my book. So that's why here on this channel, both Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Quirk's channel, I like to include absolutely everything. Just because you never know what people are looking for or why they want it. I'm also here to say the automatic Miata is just plain good. It's an awesome car. Even though you're missing out on that amazing manual gearbox, you're not missing out on the platform. You're not missing out on this wonderful 2.0. You're not missing out on all the things that make the Miata a Miata. And in some aspects, it's actually a little bit better than the I shouldn't say that. Should not say that. That will get me hate in the comments. America. I need to stop doing that. Every time I see a truck like that, I say America. Like I said, this lap we're going to be in normal, then we'll move over to sport. So, like this right here, the manual is a ton of fun. I'd still buy the manual, but this right here is what makes me consider the automatics. It's just easier. It's just better at handling stuff like this. And automatics always will be. Jesus. Bloody people, man. Putting it up into sport, it's gonna hold revs and just be a little bit more sensitive, the way a Miata should be. See what I mean? Gonna bump it over into manual. Once I'm in manual, I can start using these paddle shifters. Oh, perfect. Whee! Oh, I guess they moved the new key over to the Miata now. Nice. Last time I drove a Miata, it was the skinny key fob that they used to have. Come on. What a car, man. When you start off with something as good as the Miata, an automatic transmission's not going to change much. I'd still own one of these. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.